Ukabona when you visit someone nomfuto, thinking that I am going zomtshela indaba zakhe, like I'm going to tell this person where to get off, and then when you get there, you find your utmost evilest enemy, and then the mission aborted. You get distracted in everything that you wanted to say. You forget even the lines. You are surprised. What is this one doing here? So Isaac kuri nati puditse gore bona ke o mmolella Ezekiel. I'm going to tell him where to get off, but unfortunately, one thing he did not know was that Carter is out of jail and he has rebranded himself to some brother wa Kokerekeng. He's become the Bariki security wa Kokerekeng. So he is no longer in any of the shenanigans that he was doing previously. So he says. So now Isaac kore he's thrown off the speech gore kante mara mo halang. And then now Carter is pretending gore yena ke motho wa mannete. Right? Right. So now Isaac walks in and did not have anything to say, because when he walked in he said, "Mara wana wa itse then he realized Carter was there, and then Carter had to reintroduce himself. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndima Dekwana, Sanbonan, Abshen Molweni Mijani, Yipukile Hingongwina, so Namutlakano kwa hina wa House of Zwide, Hikuma Koreshilo, Ashtamsekangi Gatle, looking at the fact that Sibahle had a conversation with her mother. And this conversation, I think it erupted things in her mother's heart, and she just felt with Maguyiwe once, because what do you mean? So she says this like was a continuation of the conversation that happened prior to that. So Sibahle, if you remember, Sibahle had a conversation with Babuake, and she was not happy. She was not happy that Ubabuake makes Faith Ingilozi, and then he keeps telling Faith how he does not love umama kaSibahle uNtombi, how he wants everything to be hers, and then Faith was smiling, and I'm sitting, I'm like, Sibahle, you are being unfair. Because if someone tells you he loves you, he wants to be with you, he does not love anybody else, what do you expect me to say? Oh no, you can't only love me, you must also love my sister. Come on. Come on. No. Allow Faith to enjoy love. This one I'm going to advocate for, because Faith did not know. She did not know. And when she found out, she opted out. But lo mama, it forced her. So yabona la, uFaith umsulwa. uFaith umsulwa, and mina nje I know I've been saying abantu abamosha imishado yabantu, abantu abamosha imizi yabantu, but this one uFaith umsulwa. So now Usibahle goes to her mother and says, I don't understand why libakadi kukumole and then be one happy family. You don't know what Faith is doing. Ubaba, I heard him saying ukuthi uthanda yena angamenzana noma yini, yonke into ngeyakhe njani njani, bese uFaith uyamoyizela. Kodwa ke umama kaSibahle she was saying ukuthi lalela lento le, according to me ngibona ngathi ngasebenza. We can be a one big happy family. uFaith uhlala eGoli, mina ngihlala la ekhaya, so that it's a win-win situation. We are all happy. Yena ufocusa kwento zakhe zaseGoli, mina ngizofocusa la ekhaya, and then I don't see isidingo sokuthi silwe. Awu wamtshela uSibahle ukuthi no, you must remember uFaith ufuna ukubhidliza, she's not at peace with us, kwasha kwacima kwanjani njani. And then I just saw her mother's face changes, and I'm like, boy, oh boy. Just when I thought we are having a proper stembu that is going to be peaceful, no, we are actually in it for a ride. On the other matters, so Umulife, with him being unfortunate, finding love, he come across this lady who is closer, because the previous one was vendor, and in my mind I'm like, oh my god, from one vendor to the other. Lo futhi ibe wesike, because lo uyamshaya. And I'm like, it's about time Ublife just takes Upinki as a lawful and wedded wife, because what do you mean? Anyway, he meets this girl, and then it was a lie after lie after lie after lie after lie. And I foresee lo ntombazana lo avuma ukushelwa acaba ukuthi ku-relationship and then realize ayikho lento ebese uyamshiya. He could have just come forward and said, lalela impahla engigqokile mina bangibolekile ukuthi ngizocontesta ngazo ngibonise abantu. But at this point, he is so in love. I don't understand why he's in love with someone that he doesn't know, but yena ugu in love. And with him being in love, this is going to trigger a lot of things because uzothi bamlimazile kube uyena ozilimazile by not telling the truth in the first place. Uzothi abafana amantombazana yizinja, while he is the problem because he could have just said, I don't have him because he's according to him unekari, unamabhizinesi, he's an entrepreneur, he's busy with this. Kube uthatha lo yambona lo yamthanda lo kube uthathela yena menza umfazi, you know, and live happily ever after. But no, yena ukhuluma ngabo diversify. I've got diversity. Like just in ton. Lamtana lawyer, she's actually thinking ukuthi umlifo uzozazo pick up ngi-G63. That's the level of how he sold himself. And when she realizes ukuthi ayikho lento ayikhulumayo, everything is uzozwa ngathi umhlaba wakhe uyasakazeka phansi. He could have avoided that. Anywho, Keleto is going through it. Yakhumbula they left her at Sandton because bengafuni ukulokhunja, bengafuni ukuthola imali. Then he started imali yakhe wacela imali encane, and then bese kena mafika lapha bamshiya bathi yena akalethanga imali, so which means that she has to be left behind, and then wafonela ubaba wakhe azozomlanda. Now that put a strain on the relationship that she has with boyfriend because she says, how could you leave me there? Worst of all, I'm a girl, remember? Why would you leave a girl child outside when we were hambang emote? And at the boy shame, he did not have anything that he was going to do. I mean, what else was he going to do? Bese motweni ancinga umalume ungamshiyi bese moto yahamba. What was going to happen? Futhi nakhona umalume wakhona mafika, yo yazi uEzekiel usazomosha nkosi yami. Umalume uyafika lapha, he tells Hezekiel, this is how much we've made, but that we did not make more, but we most likely to make more. Umalume akazwani no Carter because he believes ukuthi uCarter is here to take my space. Ezekiel says no. Carter is not here for a space. Carter is going to be on the security side because remember, we need him. Silwala sisempini no Isaac, and we will need Carter. And remember, Carter has dealt with Isaac for the longest time, but he always loses. He has been dealing with Isaac, but he's always losing. But he's still going there. Every day, Utola Mandla Masha, and then come back. Every time, Utola Mandla Masha, and come back. He has never won one single fight. But he still believes Uguti yena angalwa no Isaac. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Please do remember to give it a thumbs up.